My name's Rachel Chatterton. This is my husband, Brian Chatterton. We have lived in a home for about 20 years and have had a master bath that at the time that we bought our house, we thought was amazing, but realized that we actually didn't like it through the years. When we finally decided to consider doing a remodel, we actually didn't even know where to start. We reached out to friends for recommendations. We did a search through Google. We searched on Facebook. And we got a couple of different quotes, but then we found Woodbridge Kitchen and Bath, met with Isaac, and instantly decided we connected with him, we connected with his team, and while there was a difference in pricing for us, it came down to customer service. When we first met Isaac, he understood our vision. He was very excited about changing our bathroom just as much as we were. And then we met with Una. She instantly understood exactly what I wanted. She picked up on my looks. She mapped out this bathroom perfectly with exactly what we wanted in the design, the color, everything. And it's just been an amazing experience. When we first considered doing this, we thought that we were going to have to be home every single day, the whole entire time. But having met again with the team, with Isaac and Una, and then eventually with Jose and his partner, we really trusted them instantly and found that we didn't even have to be here during the day. They did regular check-ins with us. Una sent us pictures of progress. She reached out throughout the day, felt very much a part of the process. Didn't feel like I missed anything, and we felt completely comfortable having them in our home when we weren't here. What do I like about the bathroom the most? How it all came together. All of the color. My home is designed in grays and blues and different shades. And when I talked to Isaac and Una, they both completely picked up on that, nailed my design idea. And then the day that we went to pick out our marble granite, Isaac pointed out this amazing marble, and it was exactly what is it marble?
It's quartz.
Quartz, even better. Isaac picked out this amazing quartz, and it was exactly what I had in mind without not knowing what I wanted. And it is stunning, and every time I walk into this bathroom, it really tied in every single design element. And I would recommend Woodbridge Kitchen and Bath in a minute. We've actually already told people to look them up, given Isaac and Una's information. Absolutely, without a doubt, would say they are true professionals. They're true designers. I really, going into this process, didn't know how to design a bathroom. They made me a part of the process and guided us the entire way. I would say that if you don't even know what you're looking for, they can help you. So please, I would recommend them any minute, any day, any time for any project, and they will be who we call for our next kitchen project.
One of the first things I wanted when it came to remodeling the bathroom was a walk-in shower. Previously, we had a jacuzzi tub, which in 20 years I probably sat in twice. And the current shower we had was a very cornered shower. It's really small. So one of the big things that Isaac and I talked about was the walk-in shower that I wanted. He gave me some great ideas. And with those ideas, we were able to create this master walk-in shower with a rain shower head, which I really wanted in the shower. Rachel talks about the countertop, which is a beautiful countertop, but my biggest thing was the walk-in shower. And again, with the design of getting rid of the old shower that was in a corner, we were able to create a cabinet, which we have more storage, because if anyone lives in a townhouse knows that storage is limited. So now we have a 36-inch and probably 12 feet cabinet space in the bathroom where the old shower was. So it was a great experience. Again, like Rachel said, everything came together. It was great working with the team. Jose was fantastic. I'd come home at 8 o'clock. He almost had a notebook ready for me, telling me what he had done that day and what he was going to do tomorrow or the next day. So it was a great experience.
One thing that I found really great about working with this team and Jose was how well they took care of our house. They left the house clean every day. It was almost like he wasn't here. They vacuumed, they cleaned up, they organized their equipment and everything. They protected the floors everywhere they stepped. And when they were done, it was amazing. Home renovation can be intimidating because you think your whole house is going to get torn up. we never felt like our house was in disarray. They took very, very good care of it and left it very clean, which was amazing every day, even on demo days.
So I really recommend Woodbridge Kitchen and Bath. I started recommending people even before the project was done, because again, like Rachel said, I mean, it was a great experience. They cleaned the house. Jose was great on telling me what he did those days and what he was doing the next day. You know, we knew what time they were coming. Nobody really be home when they were here. We trusted the workforce that was coming in, and I never had any doubt that or worry that something was going to go missing while they were at work. So I highly recommend Woodbridge Kitchen and Bath.